How to use Afterpay money on Cash App. So Afterpay has been integrated into Cash App. It lets eligible users for purchases over time using the Cash App Afterpay feature. You can use Cash App Afterpay at checkout when shopping online at partner merchants, and you can also manage your Afterpay purchase inside the Cash App. But what you can do is using Cash App Afterpay, which doesn't impact your budget and may incur fees if you miss payments. And the feature is, of course, only available to eligible users. So it depends on your region and account status. But so the setup is making sure or ensuring you have the Cash App installed and are logged in. Check if you're eligible again, open Cash App profile and see if Afterpay or Pay Over Time option shows. When shopping online at a merchant that supports Afterpay, at checkout select Afterpay of course, or Cash App Afterpay as your payment method. Complete the purchase and the transaction is split into installments, in many cases 4 payments every 2 weeks, when using Afterpay. So track your payment schedule and due dates in Cash App under your activity or Afterpay section. If you miss a payment, you may get charged late fees of course. But this is pretty much the process of using Afterpay in Cash App. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.